May we all know that nothing ain't cool till you wear the new one. The sound of a quarter rolling down the jukebox. Play the Travis Tritt right above the Tupac. Before you get lost down some road. Slow rolling with the top off the back of a Bronco. Buy a cold sixer with a cashed-in lotto. She's smiling with her hair blowing out the window. Where you about to go? Hey everybody, this is Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons, and today I'm going to teach you how to play May We All by Florida Georgia Line. Such a good song. This is one thing I love is when songs don't have capos, okay, and there's just standard tuning, and the reason I love that is because it's like the rawest, purest guitar to me, okay? So if you forget your capo or something, this is a song you can whip out at any time. All right, so standard tuning, no capo. And also, before I get into it, please subscribe to my channel and like this video if you enjoy it, so that you can get notified when I come out with new ones. So, all right, let's get into it. So, this is a very, very easy song to play, okay? There's like no real picking or anything. You're gonna start out, you're gonna use these chords the entire time, okay? You're gonna do E minor, okay? So, E minor, you're gonna do G, and you can either do it like this G, where you just put your pinky there and these two fingers up here, or you can do this kind of G. It doesn't matter, all right? Either one is good. So E minor, G, D, and C, okay? So that's how the intro goes. They're in that order. So it's, okay, just like that. E minor, G, D, C, okay? So notice that too. So the strumming is super easy, okay? And it's the same for the verses as it is for the chorus. So it's just down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Okay, so you're just doing down twice. You do down once, and you do a little bit of a count, down, down. So then you're just doing up, down, up, down, up, down, okay? And then you go, so G, same thing. All right, D, down, down, up, and then you do C, down, down, up. And notice though, when you're doing this, you're gonna do E minor, G, D, and you're gonna spend longer, the longest part is on D, then you go to C, E minor, G, D, C, okay? So that's how that goes. So it's going to be, may we all get to grow up in a red, white, and blue little town with a one-star hand-me-down Ford to try to fix up. Do you notice where I'm doing, where I'm changing the chords? So it's E minor, G, D, C. Okay, and that's how you do that. So, but at the end of the verse where he goes, because you miss it too much, you're going to change there. So you're ending on C, but nobody does, because you miss it too much. Then you're doing A minor, okay? So A minor, you're doing D, okay? Those, you don't really even have to pluck that one on the B string, but you're just going to do A minor there, okay? Because you miss it too much. May we all, and then you go into G. So then the chorus is a little bit different. It's the same chords, but it's a different chord progression, okay? So it's going to be G, may we all know that, and so on all you do G. So you start out like this, so you do, but you miss it too much. May we all, so on all you do G. All know that, and it's the same strumming pattern, remember. May we all know that nothing ain't cool till you wear the new one. Sound, and you do D, so it's G, D, E minor, C, okay? So that's how that goes. So it's, may we all know that nothing ain't cool till you wear the D, new one. The sound of a quarter rolling down a jukebox. So on jukebox you do E minor. Play the Travis Tritt right above the Tupac. So on Tupac you do C, like you're seeing Tupac again, like he's not dead. So Tupac, till you get lost down some road. On road you do G, okay? Right after road you do G. Okay, slow rolling with the top off the back of a Bronco. So on Bronco you do D. Bronco, buy a cold sixer with a cashed in lotto. Lotto is E minor. She's smiling with her hair blowing out the window. Window is C. Alright, where you about to go? And then you do it, and then you're gonna go back like you did at the beginning of the song, okay, in the verses. Yeah, you learn, so you're gonna do E minor. Yeah, you learn to fly, G. You learn to fly, but you can't, D. So you just free fall, and then C. C is free fall. Okay, and then you go to G. May we all. And then remember that after the first chorus, they don't go into anything else. So it's just may we all. And you're just gonna strum G for a little bit, okay? And then it goes into the Tim McGraw part, which is may we all get to grow up in a I can't remember the lyrics. May we all get to see those fields of green turn gold. That's right, but it's the same as before. G, sorry, E minor, G, D, C. Okay, that's like that before, just from before. So then the chorus is the same again. So then I'm going to show you the bridge is a little bit different, just in the plucking or in the strumming, but it's not hard. So you're going to do. It's going to be, the bridge is, may we all do a little bit. So you're starting with G. And it's the same as the chorus, basically. Just remember the lyrics are a little bit different. So it's, may we all, G, know that nothing ain't, may we all do a little bit better than the first time, D. First time, you started on first. Learn a little something from the worst times. On worst is when you go to E minor. Get a little stronger from the hurt times. Okay? And now you know the whole song. Because then after you do hurt times, you're on C. C. And you go back into the chorus. May we all get to have a chance to ride the fast one. Walk away wiser when we crashed one. Keep hoping that the best one is the last one. Yeah, you learn to fly. If you can't, then you just free fall. Okay, and that's the song. You know the whole thing now. You're awesome. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments and or song requests as well. Remember, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks, guys. See you next time.